In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invest in smart portfolios on eToro. To get started, sign in to your eToro account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access the platform's investing tools and browse the different products available. Make sure you're on the main dashboard before moving on, so it's easier to follow the next steps. From there, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Discover. This section is where eToro organizes different investment opportunities, making it easier to explore what's available without having to search around the platform manually. If you're new to the interface, take a second to get familiar with the layout, because this area is where you'll find Smart Portfolios. After opening Discover, click on the Smart Portfolios tab. This will take you to the part of the platform dedicated specifically to portfolio-based investments. Smart portfolios are designed to group assets together around a strategy or theme, which can make them appealing if you want broader exposure, rather than choosing individual assets one by one. Now take some time to browse the available portfolios. As you look through the list, pay attention to the different themes, sectors, or strategies each one focuses on. This is a useful step because not every portfolio will match the same investing goals or risk tolerance. Moving carefully here can help you choose something that fits your preferences. Once you find a smart portfolio that interests you, click on it to open the full details page. This is where you can get a closer look at what the portfolio is about and how it's structured. Next, review the portfolio information carefully. Check the strategy, past performance, and current holdings. This gives you a better understanding of how the portfolio is managed and what kinds of assets are included. While past performance can be helpful for context, it's also important to focus on whether the overall strategy aligns with your own investment approach. If everything looks good, click the Invest button. This will open the investment window where you can enter your order details. Now enter the amount you want to invest. Be sure to choose an amount you're comfortable with and double-check the figure before continuing. Taking a moment here helps avoid mistakes and ensures you're investing exactly what you intended. Finally, review all the investment details one last time, then click Invest again to confirm and complete the purchase. Once that's done, your investment in the smart portfolio will be placed. And that's it. Thanks for watching.